They are fixated on your connection, unfortunately, and they are very determined to separate you and another person. This individual could show up as someone that is very cooperative, someone that's unassuming. Trust me, this person's extremely observant. This person holds back on certain aspects of themselves. And some of us do, I understand that, but there's a certain trait that this person holds back on. And I feel it's a trait of being very mean-spirited, and they are observant, but they have honed in on a dynamic between you and another person, or some of you could be married and they are very fixated. Now, this could be a friend for some of you, right? Of yourself or the person that you're connected to. And they act as if they are a safe person to confide in. But whilst you or your person may confide into this individual, they are strategizing how they can block and pull you or your person away from each other. They may want to separate a marriage. They definitely fear, for some of you, that you and this other person that you're connected with could actually end up getting married. Say, for instance, you may have said to this friend or whoever this person is, right, you know, I'm really feeling him, you know, or I really, really like her. I think she's beautiful, or I think we get on, or I feel like we'll be like a good match. And for some of you, this could also have something to do with a collaboration, because with the Justice card right here, the Justice card rules Libra. Libra rules contracts, business contracts, romantic contracts. So maybe some of you may have said, you know, I really need to, you know, get a manager or connect with someone that could help me look over this contract, or I need a lawyer, or I need to connect with someone that I can do business with in whatever field you do business in. And this person knew of someone or something of that sort, and they did not want you to progress, so they blocked it. That's for a small few of you, right? Or they are trying to block it because they feel like if you, and it could be a job, maybe some of you wanted a job, and this person thought, if you get this job, you're going to progress, and they blocked it. Or they're trying to block it, or they may know of a job and you said, look, because you told the manager that I'm looking for a job, this, that, and then, yeah, and they didn't. And you really needed the money. Or they're not putting in a good word to you. It's crazy. But I feel more so this is a love situation, right? So either someone fears that you're going to end up getting married to someone that they may want for themselves, or that they cannot bear to see you maybe further along than they are. Maybe their marriage, if they are married, is in disarray, in turmoil. Maybe they are not married and they fear they will never get married. Whatever the situation is, they don't want you or a person to progress. They don't want someone to move towards you. They don't want to evolve. They don't want to heal. So they are projecting all their unhealed trauma onto you. In their mind's eye, they can see that if you and this person get together, there'll be major celebrations. Like you both could sign a business contract and make, you know, a lot of business deals, make a lot of money together. They feel like if you get with this person, then maybe it could lead to you and this person actually getting married or having a child together. Many people would like to see you both together because they see you and this person as each other's match. Whether or not they will admit that to themselves or say it in those words, energetically, they feel you two have this bright, sparkly, shiny energy individually and when you are together. So in their view, they can't let that happen. They need to make you stay in the Nine of Pentacles energy, being single, and potentially they want to outcast you for some of you. And they just want you to stay in this energy. They don't want you to progress, because after the Nine of Pentacles is the Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles talks about legacy, generational wealth. So they fear that if you get with this person, you and this person could create generational wealth together as a couple, like a power couple. Or they fear that if you go into business with this individual, you and your family will be set because of how influential this person is. So they're trying to block and stop. For some of you, I feel like strongly it's more romantic based, but please take what resonates. The reason why they're in this energy, because they fear that they will never gain the love that they see you and this other person sharing for each other, because they pick up on a soulmate type energy that you and this person have for each other. It's very sweet, it's very unconditional, it's very sincere. Whether or not they'll say those words, they do pick up on it. You and this individual are very much in love. There's a sweetness, a tenderness, energy that they've always maybe wanted in their relationships or in their marriage, and they feel like it's absent. But with you and this other person, it's authentic, it's true, it's real. And they see how you and this other person shine. They see how you and this other person, make an impact on people. Whether these individuals are people from your area, people from your workplace, people from your family.